All right, so it's a little bit later now and the lights are darker. So here's the completed project that I have completed with the string lights, the LEDs. Got them to go all the way around the house. Two 96-foot strings, got a fire going over here. So accentuates the house very nicely, and we like it a whole lot. It's been good. It'll be dark out, and these lights just really liven things up, give it a nice glow. So highly recommend that you guys give it a shot and be creative with them, whatever way that you want to. I decided to go around the fence. The toughest part was probably going around the brick here, but then the wood part was very easy. And then I thought about, hold on a second, buddy. And then I also thought about going from the top of the house and stringing it down this way too. But anyway, it's just a thought. So guys, do it yourself if you like. These are the string lights. Well, I'm just making an install here for the string lights that I bought. I bought some 96-foot long string lights, and I'm going to string them up and have been stringing them up along the way here, all the way around my fence. It's going to go to my backyard here, and it's going to go all the way around. It's going to go all the way around the house, the backside there, and then I may throw some right down this way too. All right, everybody, just to catch you up on the project that we've got going on with these string lights around the house. Here's some of the things that you'll need, and I can link them in the description too, but you're gonna need some wire cutters, some pliers, something like that. Also, some of the things that I've gotten here, I got some zip ties, and these zip ties, you know, the thin kind right here, are gonna be able to go through the little eye hole that you have on your string lights. And then here's what I'm hooking up, and you already saw my other description of my other video, but you have these right here, eye hooks, okay? There's little eye hooks, and I can put this in the description too. This is what I've been using right here to hang these lights up. What I do is I put this carabiner on that, okay? Again, it does not fit through the eye hole on the string lights. It's a little big. It's more durable, but at the same time, I found the solution for that, which I told you, these two things go together, is this right here. It's a little zip tie, and I've been zip tying the lights, and just to kind of show you how that works, let me get up here and show you. A 1/4 inch for the brick drill, and you'll need a 3/32 for the wood. Okay, so that's what I've been drilling and using right here. Okay, and just to kind of show you what happens, I drill that hole right there, okay? And then I twist this eye hole in, this hook in right here, and it works real good. I attach the carabiner right here, okay? Then I use my zip tie, and I zip tie through that little eye hole that it has on the string light and attach it to this, okay? So that's what I've been doing all the way down here around that fence. And then that brick has been very difficult to drill through, but I've had to make it work. I found what works is I use a small drill bit for the brick, and I kind of work out the hole, and then I use the big drill bit, okay, a bigger size drill bit. Again, all the lights are across here, and then it goes across my brick on the back here, and that's going to be completed. I may just hang some in the trees and stuff just to show you the video and get it online for you, but I'll complete it eventually down the line. Okay, but the rest of it, that's how you hang it. That's how it's been put up, and they look great at night, guys. You're going to love these. Definitely buy you a pair of these string lights. I have two 96-inch strings going, and it's going to go all the way down the side of this fence here too. I've got two 96s, and I got a 48 ordered also. I may go off the top up here and just start going 1, 2, 3 with some 48s. Just to string up, you know, the backyard and clean it up. Of course, I got to mow my grass and stuff and all that, but at the same time, guys, it's going to look great. I'm excited. I hope you guys are learning a lot from the video, able to do it yourself. Okay, guys, this is the box that I got, the outdoor LED string lights, LED bulbs, 33 bulbs at 96 foot. I got 2 of these and 32 sockets. You should have an extra bulb in there for replacement. This is Sunthin. I got 2 of these, 2 packets of these, and went around my entire yard. Just finished it. Just went all the way around it. You guys can see. The whole project will take you about 4 hours or so, something like that, 3 hours, just to do what I showed you. But this is what I got. I'll link it in the description down below. This is a very good set of lights. I got a 48 along with this too, I believe. I may have told you, but when these are dimmable, waterproof, shatterproof, energy saving, safe, and durable. Absolutely, you know, they're gonna be able to get rained on. They're shatterproof. You can kick them around and knock them against the wall, and it's not gonna hurt them. So, you know, definitely get these, do it yourself, put them on your wall, or be creative, whatever you want to do, and hang them up. All right, so here is the completed project. The rest of the lights go all the way down. I'm still able to add a lot more if I want to, but this is my little boy Jack. But this is the completed project of do-it-yourself string lights. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down in the section below. And anyways, it's turned out very nice. I had tiki torches before, but there's really no sense in tiki torches when you have this type of light. Again, all the things are linked in the description below. Most of the things I got from Amazon. So feel free to buy these lights and accentuate your home and make it look nice. Good luck, guys. On the do-it-yourself project. Hey, Jen. I gotta film this guy trying to blow out a candle or blow out a light. Oof, Sage, let him try it real quick. Sage, let him try it. Go ahead. He did it. All right, your turn, Sage. Here, let Jack do one real quick. Let Jack.
They don't just blow.
So we're gonna play a game. You start with the letter A. I mean, you can play tag if you want, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with the letter. We're gonna start with A. Everybody's gonna think of something to start.